Jaguar services at Motor Edgevantage. Benjamin is a successful businessman. He owns a large collection of premium cars, and the Jaguar XF is his favorite. He instructs his staff to drop the car at Motor Edgevantage for servicing. His staff ask him, "Sir, why not the nearby service station?" Benjamin explains to him that over the past 5 years, Motor Edgevantage has given him quality and flawless services, and he is very happy with them. Motor Edgevantage has Jaguar agent-trained technicians who pay great attention to details and handle the car as per Jaguar recommended service schedule. They only use genuine Jaguar spare parts and factory-standard diagnostic equipment. Also, no matter whether your car is vintage or latest in the line, they provide the same expert service at very competitive pricing. Benjamin's staff understands that it's about giving it to the right workshop with the feeling of trust that the car is in safe hands. Send your Jaguar to Motor Edgevantage for repairs, tuning and servicing. We have agent-trained technicians in classic, modern and performance Jaguars. Motor Edgevantage, your trusted Jaguar workshop in Singapore. Thank you. Feel free to call us now.